everybody, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. So worked on about 4 or 5 different things today. So the first thing, which was the priority of the day, or priority to start out the day with, was to move this switch box. There was a giant window that was added or something like that. As you can see here on the left, there's a giant window, and so the switch needed to be closer to the door on the right, kind of where the edge of the ladder is. So here it is, the window. Got that moved, relocated the box, and then repiped it into their J boxes up top. One is normal, one is critical. And then on the back side, this is just what it looks like, a little baby spreader bar. The couplings were already there. I reused the pipe that was already existing from the last spot on the left side next to the window. And then the difference is the pipe didn't exactly come out how I wanted it to, so I had to bend the spreader bar a little bit at an angle, but still fits in the wall. Then from there I went ahead and continued on the plug tails. Got this wall finish that I left ended on yesterday. Got this mud ring flipped right there. Otherwise that would have been a problem. And then finished out the plug tails in the middle of the room, or the south room, right here. The welder's still in the middle room dropping hot slag, so I didn't want to be in the middle of that. But I did rewire this. It was going to be a TV receptacle, I believe, but it was at the wrong height, and so it needed to be dropped, which means the wire wasn't long enough, so I rewired this through the white little caulking hole, and moved that down and rewired the box with a new MC. Originally it was right next to the other one at that height, with those little black marks in the screw holes. So I dropped that down, rewired it, and then from there, just not really in any particular order, but finished up the other room next to that with the plug tails on this room. And then yesterday, or no, this was still today, I finished this receptacle right here. And that was the only one I did in this room, and the other receptacles were already all plug tailed up from somebody else. And then me and Steven worked on some pipe layout for the core drillers. Here's Steven in action, sharpening the ground so we don't lose our spots. So this is what it looks like. We got our pipes laid out for the core drillers. There's going to be, I believe that's 7 or 8 right there. And then we have another spot over here for inside the wall, right there by my foot. There's about, I think, another 3 or 4 I couldn't really see because the recording thing's in the way. And then over here on the other side, we got, I believe it was 3 more. So those are the old ones right there, which we're going to reuse. But anyways, that's all I got for today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Have a great weekend. Stay safe. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.